Hello everyone, today we will be creating these magic energy strokes in After Effects. You don't need any third-party plugins for that. And of course, before we start, I want to recommend you to check out my Roughen Text Animator script for After Effects. It's a powerful tool that allows you to create text animations with minimal efforts. Link will be in the description. Let's create a new composition again, create a new solid, and apply the effect called CC Particle World. I'm gonna use my own script. What it does, it only connects null object to the producer of the particle world. As you can see, it only adds 3 needed expressions to connect the position of the null object to the producer of CC Particle World. You can download the script for free. Okay, let's set up our particle world. I go to particle type, set it to lens convex, then set max opacity to 100 and all of these settings to 0. Okay, so now if we animate position of our null object, we will have our new stroke animation. I'd like to go to particle and set this size to 0 and set birth rate to 5. So we have our stroke now. And now let's pre-compose our stroke and apply effect called Roughen Edges. I'm gonna set border to 15, sharpness to 10, scale to 400, and set edge type to spiky. Now I'm gonna write expression time multiplied by 10 for evolution and duplicate our composition, set blend mode to screen, change random seed and apply glow. And now I'm setting glow radius to 135, glow intensity to 5, and duplicate the glow. Set glow radius now to 225 and glow intensity to 6. And it's almost done, only some final adjustments left. I would like to change the color. I open the composition, select the solid, press Ctrl+Shift+Y and change the color. Now this looks better. If you would like to change stroke width, you need to change birth size. If you would like to change stroke length, you need to change longevity. And if you want the stroke to just move randomly, you can write a wiggle expression for the position of the null object. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.